So that's a perfect segue to talk weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeremy the Goo. Jeremy, always a bummer when we have the chance to see the auroras, but then we also have clouds.
Sometimes I get messages from viewers and they're like, hey, there's an aurora chance tonight. Why aren't you talking about it? And I'm like, because you will not see a break in the clouds. And I just don't want to say it if there's zero chance of seeing it.
Yeah. The good news is, though, a chance to, feel some wind and see some rain.
Because we haven't had enough of that lately.
And can we just have snow?
Oh, my goodness. Yesterday, Mark, I told the story of my dad sending me a picture of their thermometer. They have an actual thermometer. I helped them place it correctly. It was 9 degrees below zero at their house the other day.
That's aggressive.
Yeah. And I went, that's awful. And then I went, I kind of want to feel that.
Well, you can always go back and visit.
And then come right back to the warmth because it is going to be much warmer here than it is seriously anywhere just east of the high plains for the next couple of weeks. 56 miles per hour was our top wind gust yesterday, and we're back at it again tomorrow. Wind will gust from 45 to 55 miles per hour through much of the day and night. Looks weirdly similar just a few hours earlier. That's the only difference between tomorrow and yesterday. That wind will get cranking, and I think it peaks around 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. instead of that 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. realm. So it peaks a few hours earlier, and that makes a difference in what we wind up seeing. But once again, just a little bit weaker than what we saw yesterday. That's good news if you're asking me. I think all of those branches that were a little weak might have already fallen out. Still have the potential to lose some, but yep, most of that strong wind just making its way through, then moving out. Our atmospheric river, though, not going anywhere anytime soon, and that keeps the chance of rain in the forecast, and a lot of it. For us, we have flood watches in effect across much of North Idaho, and then over on the west side, it's widespread flood watches and flood warnings for many of the rivers that are now starting to fill from rain and melting snow. It's all that runoff coming from the mountains. It has to go somewhere, and as you get down to some of those lower rivers, creeks, streams, those are starting to just fill their banks. Our rain is moving in slowly, though. It is moving in quite slowly. I think for us to see it, we're going to have to wait until the 8 or 9 o'clock hour here. It will eventually move in, but notice by tomorrow morning as the wind picks up, most of our moisture moves up into the mountains. But notice even over on the west side, tons of rain, even up over 5,000 feet. It might be rain on top of all of those mountain peaks. We are talking serious warmth as we move through the next couple of days. If this were spring, I'd be going, yeah, it's kind of what we expect to see come late March, but nope, it's December. Our weather impact alert remains in effect through the day tomorrow. It will move out, and by Thursday, a few scattered showers as things finally calm back down here in the inland Northwest.
All right. Sounds good, Jeremy. Thank you very much.